Where are we going? Why did we come this way?
Hi, Janet.
Alright, let's go to the volleyball. So Uncle Mike lose 100,000.
You don't remember this guy, huh? The only guy that played football
I didn't go to your wedding because I was
No, yeah, we got here, man.
walking around. My head back.
If you're from Stockton, make some noise. Fresno, make some noise. Merced, make some noise. SoCal, make Sacramento, make some noise.
All the way to the left.
All right. That's part of California. Behind
She probably blocked me too.
Yeah, that was the last thing you saw from the next group. Are we ready for the next group? Okay, let's give a
You know what? I'm finna go home.
Yeah, 23. 23.
Okay, okay. Yeah.
我设备一下嘛，我这个。 Probably anyway. I'm not probably raised. Yes. Hey, they're young like you guys.
So, Pachia, quick question. Did you ever think about dancing at their age, at a very young age?
I have. I used to look up to girls who dance. So just know you guys are inspirations to younger girls.
Awesome. Not just girls as well too. Little boys can also do this dance as well too. So it's an open dance culture for all genders.
And you guys also inspire me.
Yeah, definitely. Make me want to compete so much again. I miss that pressure. I miss that high level of competition. Yeah, I might just do it again. But I'll let you guys know. I'll let y'all know when I host a breakdance event. Maybe here in Stockton, huh? We should have one.
All right. Yes. Someday. I think the judges are ready.
Oh, I'm sorry. Got carried away. All right. Up next. Let's give it up for Ba So Lai.
Dude, what a young one.
That's gotta be one of the cutest dance performance I've seen all day. Let's give another round of applause for Ba So Lai. They're so young and also so brave coming up on the stage and competing at such a high level at such a young age. I'm getting real nervous. They're just watching them. Amazing job. To the coordinator and to the dance instructor, you did an amazing job.
And to parents, without parents, the supportive parents have really influenced them to be up here today. So thank you to parents.
Their outfits too. Their outfits too.
Oh yeah. Whoever sews their outfit. So beautiful, so colorful.
Whose idea was that? To have that kind of design. Amazing job. Amazing. So reminder, the performers will love your energy. So cheer on for them, okay? Give them your energy as well. They're going to need it.
All right, it looks like our judges are ready. Are we ready for the next group? Okay. Let's give a warm welcome to Ganjai Lia.
Sorry, we got stuck in traffic back there.
Wow, let's give them another round of applause.
So on the sideline, if you guys didn't hear, we got the young girls down here and on my right side. They be cheering loud.
Yeah.
So we also need the families and parents, audience watching to cheer as loud or even louder like them. How are we doing so far, Stockton, California? All right. They still pretty loud over there too. Yeah, so cute.
The best part about this competition is the sportsmanship that I'm seeing on the side. Keep it up.
The support from all of the dance groups is something else. That's what it is. That's what it is. That's what makes this dance competition so beautiful. Moving on to our next performance. Give it up for Go New League! hear from the other side. This group over here, you guys are super loud. Let's give another round of applause for Go New Lee one more time. We need more of those energies, okay? More. Right, we're waiting for the judges to tally up their score. Pachea, how are you doing so far with this dance competition?
I'm doing great. Seeing all of the sportsmanship, all the beautiful girls, it makes my heart so happy.
Love it. Love it.
How are you feeling, Lumnes?
Super nervous. Not just by standing up here, but you know, when it comes down to performing, I feel their nervousness as well too. But I'm also super excited as well too, to see such a beautiful culture out here in Stockton coming together and having all of the groups competing and family members watching. Love it. Beautiful. Super excited about this.
All right, looks like our judges are ready to conclude our junior team Hmong round, our last group, okay? Let's give a warm welcome to Go Unite!
要点都够，有书告诉，要点都够，有书告诉呢。
I'm afraid to come up on the stage right now because all the performers, yeah, I don't think I can talk them. I don't think I should come up on stage right now. Amazing performance.
Good job, girl. Good job, girl.
All right, let's give them another round of applause. Okay, dancers, please don't go anywhere. We're going to do a vote for best outfits and best choreography. So please come to this side over here so that you guys can vote, okay? So don't leave yet. Right here.
Onto our right side. Onto our right side. Dancers, onto our right side.
All right, and while we're doing that, we're going to... Oh.
All right, while we're settling that down, let's also recognize the judges. Again, judges, may I have you stand up and acknowledge yourself to the audience one more time. Audience, let's give the judges one more round of applause for their amazing work in helping out judging the dance competition.
All right, thank you, judges. You may leave.
You may enjoy the rest of your day. All right, so the dance competition may be over, but do not go anywhere yet because we still need to announce the places. So don't go anywhere yet. So for the meantime, we are going to have entertainment. Let's give another warm welcome to Go Ho Yang!
This way, go ahead. Over here, over here. Hello. Kalupe Huricha. Let's go.
What's this drama?
Đó, tiền tiền một cái con nó bó ra. Bó. Bó, bó. Go. Go, you Big.
All right, can we give her another round of applause? That was Go Hoya. Okay, we're gonna continue on with our entertainment. Litter, do you want to announce the next person?
All right, so up next for our entertainment, let's give it up for Ba Duo Day. All right, let's give another round of applause for Ba Do Day. One more time.
All right, it's not over yet. We have next up, let's give a warm welcome to MSDI.
Miss Swan Dance Institute.
All right, let's give them a minute.
Sorry about that.
Working? Oh, it is working. Hello. So, we want to dedicate these songs to all of our moms. Okay, so this is to all the moms that has been working really, really, really hard this morning. To any of the dancers out there, all the dance group, if you guys want to dedicate this to your mom, please come and join us. Thank you. Come on. You don't want to dedicate to your mom? Let's go, because the person that woke up early with you this morning is who?
Hey, Ines! Ines, pull up! Pull up! Pull up! Love you guys. Come on. Yeah, girl.
姑娘，莫早些老地台错些呀，古城哈呀姑娘我古着，古道浪老呀姑娘我，莫哈的老比你路过莫，莫黑子。做给。 chỉ ta cây lâu đã cu nè lên từ mùa xia rong ya cu nè mò xia kia cho cu bùa nên chân ha cho cu mùa tua cu tê la đê chế hoa chế khó ra cho cu mùa hạ đê lo tin lu của mùa hiết tư tin cho kê cứ mùa trong đông ta cho thì hạ rong đi chỉ ta kê lu ta của nè thiên địa mua kia cho xia ya cú tao na yo ni o chỉ để sa lưu chặt lờ ya cú đi lên nhẹ mua ha để lo pin lu của mua hiết chữ tin cho kê cứ mua trong đông ta cho đi hạ rong đi chỉ ta kể lu đời của nè mua hạ để lo pin lu của mua hiết chữ tin cho kê cứ mua trong đông ta cho đi hạ rong đi chỉ ta cây lu ta của nè lu chạp lần do cũ đi lên nè
Woo! That was a lot of dancers up on the stage. Let's give them one more round of applause for that amazing dedication to the parents.
All right, Park Jong Blai's coach, please come to the side. Ba chuông blai to coach nữa come to the side. All right. Yes. Thank you to all the moms, all the coaches, the trainers, the amazing supportive boyfriends. I saw boyfriends on the side holding their purses. Every person that is supportive. Thank you.
Up next, the song entertainment, we have Ki Bong Ba. Let's give a round welcome for Ki Bong Ba. I guess we're still looking for that group. Alright, so I'm going to skip by one. I'll come up to it. So we have all varsity coaches. All varsity coaches. Come to the booth. On to my right side. The booth with the yellow top text. To my right side. All varsity coaches.
Is Ki Bong Ba here? All right. If not, then we're gonna move on to open entertainment.
Thank you for being patient and for understanding. Right there.
Hi, Dory. Một cái trống nữa. Ay, tôm chả. Chị Phan à? Hi. Hmong à? Hello, look guys.
Let's give a warm welcome to United Band. Out there at the concert last night, United Band rocked it. They end the concert, closing the concert last night. Give you an amazing performance. Don't forget to sing along and dance along with them.
Let's play good, man. Let's play good, let's play good. Do that too, Linda. Quẩy cho lại thay nó. Thay. Quẩy cho lại thay.
Alright, everybody, please let's be patient with our team as well. We will get United Band up here shortly. Please be patient.